Okay, so what are we making for dinner tonight?
I have no idea.
We could just order pizza again.
Ryan, we ordered pizza twice this week already.
Okay, fair point. What do we actually have in the fridge?
Let me check. We have chicken, some vegetables, and rice.
That sounds like a good start. Chicken and rice. Should I season the chicken, or do you want to do it?
You can season it. You always make it taste better than me.
That's not true, but thank you.
I'll start on the vegetables then. Should we add garlic?
Definitely. And maybe a little lemon too.
Good idea. This is starting to sound like a real meal.
See? We didn't need pizza after all.
Don't get too confident. Ask me again after we taste it.
This actually smells really good already.
I'm surprised too. Maybe we should cook together more often.
I'd like that. It's more fun than deciding alone.
True. Plus, it's a good excuse to talk about our day.
Speaking of which, how was your day?
Long, but better now. This is exactly what I needed.
Same here. All right, let's eat.